Hey guys, so today I will guide you at how to send a Microsoft Word using Facebook Messenger. Okay, so first of all, open your Facebook. Okay, so now if you are not logged in, you can log in from this section. You just need to write your email ID and password. Then after login, come on Messenger section. So here is our Messenger section. Simply click on it. Okay, and select a person whom do you want to send a file. For example, I want to share a file with this guy. Simply open its profile and come here on this attach file. Okay, simply click on it. So guys, here you can send up to 25 MB. Okay, attach a file up to 25 MB. If your file is big, you can easily compress it. Okay, so let's open. So guys, here you need to choose a Microsoft Word file. Which do you want to send? Okay, so for an example, I want to send this Word file. Okay, so simply click on it, select the file. Okay, now click on send button. So guys, as you can see, our Microsoft Word file is successfully sent. So that's how you can send your file in Messenger. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more simple tech tips. Thanks for watching.